So I just got back home from my appointment with the hairstylist. His name is Del Jones on Instagram. I think I mentioned that to you guys earlier in the video. And I have in the Yummy extensions. So I have in that. Why is it missing a spot here? Is it like on this side? Yeah, I guess that's just how it's sewn. But I have in. Yeah, we're gonna talk about that. So I have in the 20-inch frontal and the 3 bundles of 24 inches. Now, if you guys recall, in my initial impressions unboxing video, I just tilted the camera down so you guys can see. I wasn't really that impressed with it because it was tangling. So I co-washed it, got a little bit better of a feel. And then this is the same day I got the hair done. So I'll, try to insert like a little screenshot up here or somewhere around so you guys can see, the date that I had my appointment set for. So you know that it's all the same date. Today is May 18th. And I literally just got the hair installed. Now the install is good. The frontal, I guess once you bleach the knots, has definitely impressed me. So when I went to their pop-up shop, if you guys recall, I don't know if I told you guys, I wasn't impressed with anyone's hair there, with the exception of like Angela and whoever she was with, because their hair looked bomb. And then like one girl that I think I mentioned as well. But yeah, like it's like tangled. It's day one. I'm still gonna give it a chance because maybe I am just a harsh critic, but I am gonna go in my house. Like this is really bad. Like I'm walking and I'm clearing it out and then it gets tangled again. So far not impressed, but I'm gonna have this in for a few weeks hopefully. So I'll be able to give you guys a better idea of how the hair really holds up. Like, is it the same way that they preach about on social media with these influencers, or, from a real person? Is it really just still getting tangled? So I'm about to go in my house. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I can't. I'm about to go in my house and I'm going to put in my Matrix Biolage heat protectant. That's usually what I put in all of my hair. And see if that kind of helps bring this back to life. Now, I haven't even gone out and the hair is getting tangled. When I say like go out, I mean like go out in like the nightlife. I have an event that I have to go to tomorrow. And that's part of the reason why I waited to do it. Because I'm like, I could do it the hair at any point in time. But if I'm not going anywhere, then it just doesn't make any sense. So I have an event to go to tomorrow where it can get a little crazy. It's Caribbean, we get a little wild, we jump, we have fun, we do what we do. So it'll be interesting to see how this hair responds in that type of environment where, I'm going to be sweaty. I really hope I don't have to be clearing the hair out like all the time, because that's not the life that I'm about. Yeah, so we will see. But so far, I mean, you guys can see it, right? It's not just me. And even when he, when the stylist unraveled the bundle and he was getting the same thing. I'm not sure if I caught that on camera when he was doing my hair. But when he unraveled the bundles, he was like, "Did you co-wash these?" And I'm like, "Yeah, I did." And I'm like, when I didn't co-wash it, it was worse. So, so far, a lot of tangling. And I'm not here to bash anyone. That's not, the vibe that I'm on. But at the same time, like, I want what I feel like I paid for. Like, I just cleared this out. Like, I'm frustrated because, I paid to get hair installed and the hair is not performing in the manner in which I expected to. But like I said, the frontal I love, because when I went to their event, everyone's frontal was looking crazy. But mine, he definitely laid and slayed me. And this is the one that has like that brown tint. So yeah, definitely stay tuned. I will be keeping you guys updated. I'm probably gonna try to do maybe, I want to say a live vlog tomorrow. Yeah, I'll probably upload that right away. But the video on the hair itself is probably gonna come in a few days, so I have to edit it. But stay tuned. Look at this. Like, do you guys see this? This is not me. Look at this. Like, look. I'm over it already. But stay tuned, because I'm really trying to give it a chance, and I'm not trying to be that person out here that's like, you know, talking bad about it. But we'll see. Keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. So it seems like I'm gonna keep adding to this video. So I remember maybe a few weeks ago I saw on their Instagram page, it looked like maybe someone reached out to them about how to care for the hair. So in an effort to give this hair the best chance possible, I'm gonna follow that same course of action. So I'm gonna actually reach out to them and ask them, like, what can I do since this hair texture seems to be a drier texture, just so that it is moisturized and it doesn't get tangled. So since it's their product, give them the opportunity to let me know how I should be caring for it, rather than me just caring for it the same way I care for all my other extensions or all my other wigs, just to see if I have a different outcome. So I'm gonna be DMing them. Should I DM them? How often do they respond to their DM? Maybe I'll comment under one of their pictures. I'm just trying to get the fastest response, because I really don't like being out in these streets and having my hair look crazy, or me constantly having to detangle it. That's just not the life that I'm about. So yeah, I'm gonna be working on that as soon as I'm done filming this little clip.